This is David Lasiters for his power drills, the second power drills for level 4. He got the first one already in the right side. And then this is now the one whack, 1, 2, up, round, center. Right. Make it one by one this time. Everybody can follow this anyway. He can do it, you can do it. But I still have to control, and I have to teach the right place in it. Right. Ready. 1 and walk down. 1, 2, up, round, center. Pow, that's it. One whack. 1, 2, up, round, center. Pow, that's it. 3, one whack. 1, 2, up, round, center. Pow, pow. 4, one whack. 1, 2, up, round, center. Right. 5, one whack. 1, 2, up, round, center. Right. Now this is different now if I don't count it. I just count 6 like that, and then you be yourself. Right? So I want you to remember that. Okay? Even you don't remember it, but you will get it. Ready? Go. That's it. 7. Right. 8. 9. One whack down. Right. Up, round. And 10. Good. Right there. Okay. So everybody can follow that if you want to.